Are you ready to learn and spell today? What about you, Norman? We're gonna learn our ABCs, we're gonna listen to the sounds, and we're gonna spell a word. Get those listening ears ready and get ready to learn.
It's circle time, come along, join the fun and sing the song. Norman's here, so come and play. Let's start circle time today.
Hi friends, happy Monday. It's Miss Jen and Norman John. We're glad you could join us for circle time today. I hope you're ready to get up and move because it's time for our morning move song. Good morning, friends. It's time to say hello to Norman and start our day. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Wave to Norman, wave to me, wave to all our friends we see. Say hello to everyone. Learning time is so much fun. Let's read and sing, hip hooray, at the learning barn today. Wave to Norman, wave to me, wave to everybody. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning time is such a treat. Norman wants to know who's here today. Can you tell us your name? That's a nice name. We're glad you're here. Let's sing our welcoming song. We're going to sing the name song. First, we're going to sing about Miss Jen. And then we're going to sing about Norman. And then we're going to sing about you. Are you ready? Let's sing. Miss Jen's name is a happy name. Miss Jen's name is always the same. Miss Jen's name is a happy name. We're going to smile when we sing about who? Miss Jen. Now we're going to sing about Norman. Norman's name is a happy name. Norman's name is always the same. Norman's name is a happy name. We're gonna smile when we sing about who? Norman. And what's your name? That's a nice name. Let's sing about you. Your name is a happy name. Your name is always the same. Your name is a happy name. We're gonna smile when we sing about who? You. Let's sing our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it stormy out today? Is it windy? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy out today? What's the weather like where you live today? It's windy. Can you blow like a tree in the wind? Yeah, that's what windy is like. What's the weather like at your house? Is it snowy? Is it windy like at the barn? Stormy, rainy, sunny, or cloudy? Hey, here we are at our calendar. That's right. What are we going to figure out on our calendar? Are we going to figure out the weather? No, we already figured that out, didn't we? Do you remember what it was? It was windy today, wasn't it? Yes. All right. What are we figuring out here then? The day and the number of the week and the month. I need my pointer stick. All right, let's do that. First, let's sing our Days of the Week song. There are 7 days a week. Let's sing about them. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. Great job on singing the days of the week. Now let's look at them on the calendar. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we go to our very last number, which is at the very, very bottom of our screen. We're in our very, very last row of numbers also, which means we're almost at the end of the month. All right, let's go at our last number and go all of the way up to Monday. Today is Monday, and we're still in the month of July. Now let's count to that big number, starting at the number 1. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Thank you, Norman. 25, 26, 27. Way down here at the very bottom is 27. That's a big number, isn't it? Are you tired from all that counting? All right, well, we still got to finish our calendar. All right, let's put it all together. Today is Monday, July 27th. And Norman, how are you feeling today? I'm feeling a little bit scared. Why are you feeling scared today? Because it's so windy, it's blowing all of my toys. Oh, and are you scared that it might blow some of your toys away? What toys is it blowing? My ball and my pail. Oh, What could we do if our toys are blowing around outside because it's windy? Should we just stand there and watch them blow away? No. Do you think maybe we could ask Mommy or Daddy if we can go out and pick them up and then put them somewhere safe? All right, why don't we do that? After we finish learning, we're going to go out and then we're going to pick everything up so it stops blowing around. So then Norman won't be scared of his toys getting lost. And then also, perhaps next time, and if you've ever had this problem, make sure that you pick them up and put them away. So we have to clean up, put it away, clean up, and tidy today. Right, Norman? All right, let's keep learning. Okay, kids, we're gonna sing a song about our head, our shoulders, knees, and toes. Are you ready? All right. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it a little bit faster? Okay. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it a little bit faster? Okay. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. You guys did great on that song. The alphabet is all around. Letters make a special sound. Now let's learn and sing away the alphabet letters today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So many letters for you and me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Come along and sing with me. Q, R, S, T, U, and V. Letters are as fun as can be. W, X, Y, and Z or Z. Won't you come and sing with me? The alphabet is all around. Letters make a special sound. Now let's learn and sing away with our letter of the day. Today we're going to learn about the letter F. The F says F. The F says F. Every letter makes a sound. The F says F, like fly. Let's see what other F words there are. Frog, ribbit, ribbit. A flag. 5, the number 5. Fruit, there's lots of fruit. Fox. Those are our F words today. Let's see if Learning Tablet has anything for us today. Let's learn our alphabet. We're going to start up here with Mr. Pointer. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. So that is all of our letters of the alphabet. Why don't we practice their sounds? The A says ah, ah, ah. The B says buh, buh, buh. The C says k, k, k. The D says duh, duh, duh. The E says eh, eh, eh. The F says f, f, f. The G says g, g, g. The H says h, h, h. The I says I, I, I. The J says j, j, j. The K says k, k, k. The L says oh, oh, oh. The M says mm. The N says n. The O says ah, ah, ah. The P says p, p, p. The Q says qua, qua, qua. The R says The S says S, S, S. The T says T, T, T. The U says The V says V, V, V. The W says W, W, W. The X says X, X, X. The Y says Y, Y, Y. And the Z says Z, Z, Z. At the learning barn, we read and sing. At the learning barn, let the fun begin. At the learning barn, we laugh and play. At the learning barn, come and join us today. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us at the Learning Barn for Circle Time. And don't forget to follow so you don't miss any Circle Time adventures. Bye, friends!